What's up, everybody? Ali Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com, and it's time to take a trip to Busch Gardens. I heard you are looking for some great activities to do with your partner while visiting the Orlando area. Did you know that just an hour-ish away from Orlando is one of the most thrilling theme parks that would be perfect to throw your partner for a loop? Seriously, the roller coasters at Busch Gardens Tampa will take your breath away, just like your partner does. Aw. If you're trying to hint to your partner that you'd like to do something fun on your next vacation, send them this video right now to learn more about why couples love visiting Busch Gardens Tampa. Now, before we plunge into the video, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified of when these awesome videos pop up, okay? Now let's launch into our couples guide to Busch Gardens Tampa. While all the theme parks in the Orlando and Central Florida area have kid-friendly rides, Busch Gardens Tampa has more rides geared towards adults with their thrilling roller coasters. So if you're looking to get your heart beating out of your chest, take your partner on the all-new Iron Gwazi ride. This roller coaster will take you both to its peak of 206 feet, where you drop at a 91-degree angle at 76 miles per hour. This hybrid coaster won the Golden Ticket Award in 2022 for Best New Roller Coaster for a reason. Busch Gardens Tampa continues a thrilling triple-launch Cheetah Hunt roller coaster with 7 inversions. Wow. Talk about your stomach doing flips. You'll be holding on to your partner when you walk off this ride, which, by the way, is romantical. Busch Gardens Tampa has some other great attractions like the Kumba coaster that will roar louder than your partner in an argument. If you want to throw them for a loop, check out the Scorpion coaster, where you actually do a 360-degree vertical loop. If your partner is afraid of heights, you might want to let them know to avoid the Sand Serpent, as it goes 5 stories high. Not every couple is looking to get their adrenaline pumping, which is why Busch Gardens has some low-key attractions for those looking to connect with their partner. Take a walk along the Serengeti Plain, where you can watch animals roam, or you can take a train ride through the Serengeti Plain so you can cozy up next to your partner as she oohs and ahs at the tall giraffes. You can never go wrong with giraffes. I saw 2 giraffes racing. It was neck and neck. If you really want to make the experience unforgettable, you can sign up to have you and your partner hand feed the giraffes, then head to the gift shop to get a stuffed giraffe so they can remember it forever. If you want the extra brownie points, don't forget this tip. This theme park actually has their own Build-A-Bear workshop, where your partner can customize their animal of their choosing so they can snuggle with it when you can't be there. Busch Gardens Tampa also has some great festivals for couples throughout the year. Start off the year with a bang for New Year's Eve celebration, where you can experience a fireworks show guaranteed for you to earn the New Year's kiss from your partner. Mardi Gras starts soon after in January through mid-March, where you can really live up to the New Orleans style with great food, entertainment, and live music that you can't get anywhere else. Does your partner love music? Busch Gardens Tampa hosts the Real Music Concert Series with some of the greatest music of all time. Or check out Viva la Musica in May for Latin-style music during this celebration. My partner and I absolutely love visiting Busch Gardens Tampa for their food festivals. Starting mid-March, the Busch Gardens Food and Wine Festival is great to sample exclusive foods for this festival, paired with fine wines that will make the perfect romantic environment for your next date night in Tampa. If your partner is more of a beer lover instead of wine connoisseur, no worries. Busch Gardens Tampa hosts a beer fest from July through September, where they have some of the best seasonal brews before finishing the date night at Busch Gardens Summer Nights Tampa event, so you have great beer and entertainment all in one theme park. Now fellas, we all know the easiest way to get your partner to jump into your arms is to have them watch a scary movie with you. Am I right? We all know that. Surprise your partner with a scary good time at Busch Gardens Howl-O-Scream Tampa, with new haunted attractions and scare actors around every corner. If you want to look brave in front of your partner, make sure to check out our in-depth video about the Busch Gardens Howl-O-Scream event so you're prepared for the scare. Your partner will feel safe in your arms as you walk through the scare areas through the theme park. I also suggest going to the bathroom a lot so you can get those screams out and the partner won't hear you. Just store them and then get them out. Yes, everyone else is going to look at you weird at the urinal, but it's okay. Don't sleep on this next event at Busch Gardens Tampa, fellas. If your partner is a sucker for the Hallmark Christmas movies like mine, make sure you bring them to the Busch Gardens Christmas Town event. Starting in November, Busch Gardens Tampa transforms their theme park with millions of twinkling lights. Yes, twinkling. This is important as the twinkling makes it romantic for your partner. There will be festive shows you and your partner can watch while tasting some holiday-inspired cuisine. She'll love the snow making, this perfect selfie opportunity for your couple's Christmas card this year. It's like a 2-for-1 deal, man. We are always looking for ideas about couples visiting Orlando and the Central Florida area. We have some other videos on our channel with more couple guides that you will want to check out while you are planning your Orlando vacation. We'd love to help make your Busch Gardens for Couples trip special by helping you save a little money on your discount Busch Gardens tickets by clicking on the link below in the description. All right. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. If you are going to come to the Central Florida area and Busch Gardens for that romantic weekend, I'm available to sing romantic songs during your trip. I'll just walk behind you. Can you feel? Yeah, just get with me. We'll do it. All right, bye.